Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to fix the problem of fuzzy text or thin text coming on our desktop and in Chrome browser especially. So first what you have to do is open the start menu, then type clear text, clear type text. See this option, adjust clear type text. So just click on it. Make sure that this is ticked, this checkbox is ticked, turn on clear type text. Okay, then click on next. It will automatically identify your display, so your display monitor is set to its native resolution. It should show this only. Then click on next. Then you just have to compare among these two boxes. So clearly this box is giving me more clear visualization, so I'm choosing this. Then I'm clicking on next. Then see this is the best, this box is the best among all these 5 boxes, so I'm clicking here. I'm choosing this, and see, among these 3 I think the best is this one only, so I'm choosing this. And again, yeah, I think this is the best, and in that I think this is the best. Yeah. Then you just have to click on the finish button. I think now your problem of fuzzy text will get resolved. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you very much for watching.